Instagram is a great way to stay connected, but sometimes certain people can become a constant source of unwanted messages, comments, or interactions. If you're tired of dealing with distractions or uncomfortable attention, Instagram offers several ways to limit interactions without completely cutting someone off. One of the most useful features is the restrict option. When you restrict an account, their comments on your post become visible only to them unless you approve them. Their direct messages are also moved to message requests, allowing you to read them without sending a read receipt. This gives you more control while avoiding unnecessary conflict. Instagram also allows you to limit who can comment on your posts. You can choose to allow comments only from people you follow, your followers, or both. This simple adjustment can dramatically reduce unwanted interactions and create a more positive experience on the platform. Another helpful tool is the limit feature. This setting temporarily restricts interactions from accounts that may be harassing you or from people who don't follow you. It's especially useful if you're receiving a sudden wave of unwanted attention. For more serious situations, blocking remains an option. When you block someone, they can no longer view your profile, posts, stories, or contact you through Instagram. If you don't want to be that drastic, muting their posts and stories can help you avoid their content without them knowing. Social media should be a place where you feel comfortable and in control. Taking advantage of Instagram's privacy and interaction settings can help you manage your online space and focus on the connections that matter most. If someone is bothering you on Instagram, remember that you don't have to tolerate it. Use the tools available to protect your experience and make the platform work for you, not against you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and tutorials.